Alright, Amelia. Camera's rolling. So this is what we've been doing with our quarantine. First we made a swinging ship. Why don't you tell the people how that works?
You rock it with your hands and let go. And you have to make it like just go around and around.
Around and around?
It's super
How many people
cool.
are riding that? What's the price? What's the price of admission? $2? Or two people?
2 people.
Oh.
And $1.
$1 a ride per person?
Yep.
Deal. Is it a Ferris wheel you got over there?
Yep. You have to want it. Very long.
Oh. That clicking means it's fully loaded?
Yep.
Who do we got riding that? A couple Polly Pockets?
Yep. I like this one. Look. There you go. Uh-oh. We're missing one.
Oh, she's upside down. Woo! Very cool. Now you want to show me your racetrack?
Yep. You have to do the police car trying to catch the robber.
Okay.
Go!
Oh, robber's getting away. Oh, police officer's hot in pursuit.
What do you like better? The robber or the police car?
Oh, you can leave in our comments below.
Yes.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Say thumbs up.